There we go. That's actually pretty cool. So you can kind of see that little line right there. Kind of hard to see, but that is telling me that the wire is right there. So today I'm going to be using the Walabot DIY 2 to help me install a bathroom outlet for my bidet. So right on the other side of this wall is the toilet. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to add a bigger box. I'm going to string wire from the other side of the wall down to this outlet and tie it in here. So what I want to find out here is where is the stud, because that is going to tell me which way I can expand. And it looks like the stud is right there. Now we just got to use the Walabot to find that same stud on the other side of the wall, and then we'll cut that hole so we can put that outlet in. So this next part is going to be a little bit wonky, but what I want to do is I want to try to use the expert mode and see if I can detect that wire coming down the wall so I know exactly what length I need. There we go. That's actually pretty cool. There we go. That's pretty awesome.